Hello and welcome to Forex Trading Authority, and this is an introductory video for the Forex trading system called Forex PARASITE. This is Chris Conundro, the creator of the system. Forex PARASITE is a type of swing system. It's a mix between a swing and a trend system, and it's a more conservative system. It's a system that has a very good accuracy, and it's designed for those who are looking to more cautiously build net worth from the Forex markets. And I think this is a very good system to use in order to take your chunks of money and look to solid to develop those chunks of money in a solid type of way versus some of the more active systems. Now, the issue with some of the more active systems is that it requires more activity. It requires more of you. It requires more of your attention. So therefore, it's nice to have a system that isn't so intensive. All right. I mean, personally, I'm a busy guy, but personally, I even give up. I would tend to give up a more profitable system for a more easy system to do, a less active system, because, well, it's not that stressful. It doesn't take a lot of work. Not that these systems take much work anyways, right, compared to a regular job. Of course, day trading systems are involved, but these systems, what are we looking at? 5-10 minutes maximum a night before the next trading day. That's all we're looking at. So yeah, it's not can't even really call it work. But anyway, so therefore, on the other hand, it is absolutely foolish not to be running these systems with at least a bare minimum position size, because this is essentially the closest thing to free money out there. And I have to sometimes remind myself as well, hey, pay the heck attention and make sure these systems, all my systems are running all the time, because otherwise I'm throwing money out the window. I'm burning money, and I know what to do with money. I know how to put money to good use, and I know how to make good things happen, and I even know how to help people with money. So I'm doing a bad thing if I'm not running these systems, at whatever capacity. Let's say money's tied up in a bunch of other systems. Well, there's always some money around. Start off small. For example, you don't have to start off in a massive way. You don't have to go for the big position size. You can go micro. You can take the tiny position sizes and just get going from there. If it's a good system, it's going to grow on its own anyways, right? If it's a good system, you can start at any dollar amount. But, of course, it's always more prudent to start at a lower dollar amount, and then because you need to get good at trading the system, and then grow it from there. Okay? All right. So, let's get on to PARASITE. Now, why the heck would we ever call a system PARASITE? Well, I name these systems usually off of the type of A, philosophy, or B, price action. In this particular case, is the price action. We're sucking pips out of the market in a parasitic way, just for our sake. And anyways, that's how the markets go. Anyways, you trade for your sake. It's not a place to be generous. So let's go down and look a little bit at the track record. Okay, we have a snapshot here of the EUR USD, and as you can see, a sample of the 2011 here. We have two types of trades, trade A and trade B, and this is the enhancer. In 2011, we have 100% winning on the enhancer for 821 pips, and then we have 2,400 pips, which is, you know, it's not a miracle, especially compared to the other systems, but it's, you know, it's a very solid approach. We use an indicator. Okay, this is indicator based, and so, anyways, and we have the whole trade scenario together, A and B, trades A and B, for an 80% winning percentage, which that's, you know, pretty dang good. Oh, I should repeat this. This is very good for a real trading system, not those robots that say that you have 110% winning, and then when you put your account on it, you know, all of a sudden your account is gone, right? So not that nonsense. This is real trading. That's 80% winning. Hey, look, the Forex, I mean the turtle traders were ecstatic with their 40% winning, right? And they made millions and millions and millions of dollars. The founder made $200 million. Anyways, so to conclude this introductory video, this system is not a robot, it's not a platform, it's not a software, it's a home study course with videos, PDFs, sometimes they're audios. But I'm going to show you the system, the entries, the exits, the trailing stops, and the money management system. So this is, you know, it's like a blueprint. You get the business operations manual, and you can go out and just start trading, and you know, do a lot of practice historically. You know, just get the system down, and then just start small, and then just, you know, make sure you're doing the rules correctly. Otherwise, you can practice on historical charts and get that down. But if you have any questions, simply hit the contact button on this page and let us know. Otherwise, you can take this very stable, conservative type of system and look to grow some net worth over time. And to get started, of course, you just go to the Add to Cart button below, fill out the form, and then which redirects you to the payment page, or vice versa, and that's how you get started. So today could be the day that you start with a plan, and then put your money to work, and you know, just don't leave money to burn out there in the markets, which could be yours. And that's something it's very important to see, because you don't want to look back with regret. I know I have in the past, where I just simply didn't pay attention over a certain number of years. Some basic systems of mine, and I didn't pay attention. So I left tens of millions of dollars on the table for what, five minutes work a night. It was really dumb. So finally it dawned on me. I said, "Whoa, what the heck am I doing?" I guess you call it ADD or whatever. And then what's all this busy stuff I've got myself into when there's millions of dollars just by doing 10 minutes work a night? And so, anyways, I just want to, hey, time's precious. I'm getting older. I realize, wow, you know, the clock keeps ticking by. And so I want you to understand that if you want to build net worth, you got to do it now. You have to start now. Don't let things slip, because time will go so quickly. Then you left all this on the table, and then you're not able to do what you want later on. All right. So anyways, wish you the best. Thank you.